Dear students, welcome to my video. Chapter 11 Constructions Part 1. First of all, we have to construct a perpendicular bisector of a given line. Bisector means equally cut the line. Okay. For this, we draw a line AB and take a compass. Put your compass on A as a center. Draw a curve above the line AB and below the line AB. And the same procedure on B, and cut the previous arcs and join the line. You will get a midpoint of line AB, so 8 centimeter AB, that means 4 centimeter AM, and MB is also 4 centimeter. Next, construction of a given angle, that is we have to draw 60-degree by using compass. For this, we draw AB, a line segment as your choice measurement, and take a convenient radius in your compass. Put your compass on A as a center and draw an arc. Put your compass on the first point of the arc and draw an arc in the previous arc and join. You will get a ray. Then mark C. So CAB is 60-degree. It is sure it is 60-degree. So you can measure by protractor. So take your protractor and measure. You will get 60-degree. So this is the way of draw or construct 60-degree by using compass. Next, 90-degree. How to draw 90-degree by using compass? Draw a line AB or ray AB as your choice, and take your compass. No measurement, your compass as A as a center, and draw an arc from A and the same radius. Put on that point and draw the first arc. Then from the first arc, draw the second arc. Okay. Then extend your compass. Put your compass on the first intersection point. Draw an arc above the arc. Then second arc and cut the previous arc. Then join to A. So you will get 90-degree. Okay, you can measure by protractor. You will get 90-degree. Next, 120-degree angle. How to draw by using compass? Then same procedure. Draw a line or ray AB. Take your convenient radius. Put your compass on A. Draw an arc from A. Then from that point, draw first arc, the same radius. Okay, no change your compass. First arc ready. Then second arc from the first arc. Then join a line to second intersection point. So that is the ray. So you will get 120-degree by using compass. You will get 120-degree angle. So BAC is equal to 120-degree. Okay. The next angle 75-degree. Then this 75-degree can be written as 90 minus 15-degree. We cannot draw directly 75-degree by using compass. So we write 90-degree minus 15-degree. Okay. So first of all, we have 90-degree here. Already you know how to draw a 90-degree. Then 90-degree minus 15, that is 60-degree. You know this is 60 and this is 30. 60 plus 30 equal to 90. Okay. Then 30, half of 30 is 15-degree, right? So you take your compass, put your compass on that intersection point, draw an arc, the same radius, put on that point, draw previous arc and join to A. Okay, that is the half of 30-degree, that is 15-degree. Okay, then this angle is 75-degree. So you can measure by protractor. You will get 75-degree. Clear? So this is 75-degree. Ready? Then next one is 105 degree. 105 degree can be written as 90 plus 15 degree. Okay, first we need 90 degree. Already you know 60 degree, 30 degree, and again 30 degree. Okay, then half of 30, that's equal to 15 degree. So we take half of 30, bisector of 30 degree, draw an arc from that point, draw another arc, or cut the previous arc and join to A. Join to A. So this is the half of 30 degree. So you will get 105 degree, that is 90 plus 15. Okay, by using protractor you can measure. Okay, that is 105 degree. This is 90 plus 15. You will get 105 degree, that is 105 degree. So this is the required angle, 105 degree. The next we have to construct 135 degree. 135 degree can be written as 120 plus 15 degree or 90 plus 45. Okay, 90 plus 45. I am selecting the second case. So I draw 90 degree here. Then we have to extend the line AB to the left side. Okay, so you will get 90 plus 90. So left side also 90 degree. Then you have to draw half of 90 degree, that is bisector of 90 degree, that is 45 degree. Put your compass on that point and here draw two arc from that 2 points. Okay, then join to that point and you will get total is 90 plus 45, that is 135 degree. So that angle is 135 degree. By using protractor we can measure. Okay, protractor on A, so that is 135. It is very clear, 135 degree. Okay, this is the required angle, 135 degree. The next one, 30 degree, that is half of 60 degree, bisector of 60 degree. So already you know how to draw 60 degree. And take your compass, extend your compass and put your compass on that point, draw an arc and put your compass on that point, again cut the previous arc, join to A, then join to A, that is bisector of 60 degree. So you will get 30 degree. One angle is 30, then another angle also 30 degree. By using protractor you can understand that angle is 30 degree. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please wait for next video. Thank you.